welcome back to my channel. My name is Patrice Isaac, and today we are out shopping at the grocery store per usual, right? But I'm shopping for date night. I tried to go to Trader Joe's. Yeah, so they were too crowded. I couldn't find a park, so we're gonna move right along. So now I'm at Publix in the parking lot, about to go out and grab a few things. So date night, we're doing date night at the house today, and we try to do date night at least once a week. For those of you who might be like, dang, that's a lot. Well, me and my husband, we are newlyweds and we do not have any children yet, so we date each other a lot, and it's good. It's good. But you know, some of our dates are, at the house. So today, what did Bay ask me to do? I think we're gonna listen to music. That's what we're doing. We're listening to music tonight. Some music he wanted to listen to. So we're gonna do that over a bottle of wine and some desserts. So that's what I'm coming in here to get, and of course some other things. So he's grilling for us. So he's gonna do an assortment of things. We have chicken, some Italian sausages, some burgers, and I'm see if they have some fresh corn. I haven't seen it, but I'm hoping they do, because I want some corn on the grill. And I have some asparagus already at home, and I think he said he wanted deviled eggs. So Bay on the grill, I'm on the sides. So yeah, date nights are important. So that's one of the things that I will be talking about in my channel, is welcome to wifehood, being a wife, the role that it is. And it's such a great thing. I love being a wife. Love it. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. So I wish I could have went to Trader Joe's, but that was a fail. And I don't really like vlogging when it's super duper crowded, because people be in the way, So Publix actually looks super duper crowded, but I'm only getting a few items, so I can be dipping and dodging in here. Trader Joe's, I actually wanted to look around. So that's what we got going on. Publix. And then I think I'm going to make another stop to World Market. They wanted these German beers, and World Market carries them. Now, I didn't see them the last time we were in there, but I'm gonna be a great wife and I'm going to double check. So yeah, get into it. So all right, let me go ahead and gather my life. And then I made my iced coffee in my glass, which I'm loving. But yeah, I'm about to go head in the store. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Publix got a little plant section that I'm not gonna look at. It's a little plant section. Faye said I can't get no plants because they be dying, and he right. But they got one little thing. Okay, so they wanted an apple pie. So I'm gonna try this one. Let's see. How we go. But then you get the big one for $4.99, and I actually like the Dutch one. So I'm gonna try this one. We love Stella. I normally like the black, and I think they want like the peach. I think I'm gonna get this one and that one. These juices, I ain't gonna get that one because it's messed up, but they're a little pricey, but they're fresh juice. So I'm gonna get one for me and one for Byron. And then you shake it up. That's why I look like that. And then I was looking for some Hawaiian rolls, but they didn't have them. So I got these for the burgers. And then those are the ones I got. Yellow, white, and this is black color, but I'm gonna just do this one. Sheesh. $4.99. Dang. This right here. I'm gonna just get a regular chocolate chip. That look good, but this is gonna be a one. And I don't know what the first one is. $7.99. And Mrs. Smith, $6. So we're gonna go with Publix brand. Go for $4.99. Yep, they asked for ice cream. He was like, don't get the healthy stuff. This is actually really good. It's not ice cream, but it's really good. But Jenny's, this is a local ice cream parlor in Charleston, South Carolina. So I don't know. They say he wants some good ice cream. So I'm gonna probably find what's on sale. Looks like Briar's. It is with the BOGO. Hopefully they got a good flavor. Okay, I do see vanilla. All right, I'm gonna get Briar's. It's mad crowded out here. But we made it to World Market. It's in the Target shopping center, so it's Saturday. So I don't know why I thought any different, but I'm about to run in here right quick. World Market. We got a little bit of everything in there. Really a lot of odds and ends stuff. So let's see. So they have like decor. That's really, 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 really pretty. I like that too. I like maps and stuff. So they have, and this is, I've never noticed this, but it says all across Africa. This is neat. I wonder how much these cost. These, they sell these all the time. I used to live in Charleston, South Carolina. They would sell them, the original ones, on the side of the road. So I like that. So y'all know my office is like black. How much is this? I don't know. I can't find it, but this is some stuff they have in World Market. So if you haven't been, it's a cute store. If you like home decor and stuff. So yeah, I actually might get me a candle. A little Easter stuff out here. This is a new little side. So they have little snouts. Whatnots. But let me go find. This is really cute right here. Let me go find what I came in here to find. Okay, so they have a food and wine section. So here are the craft beers. So I'm about to go look, but it looks like they don't have them because, so we're about to see them. It's looking like a no. Yeah, they got the stuff. Should I give you another bottle? I don't like the watermelon, the peach, or the berries. So, but they're on sale for $11.99. Good to know. Good to know. So I'm back at the house. World Market did not have the beer, but you saw I had a lot of odds and ends, but it was very crowded in there. So I wanted to get one of those canned mimosa, but it was crowded and they had one register open. So I just dipped on out. So the food is rolling, almost done, right, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. But we about to just chill. And yeah, chilling till date night when I make this homemade cookie skillet. It ain't even gonna be a cookie skillet because I'm putting the cookies right in the oven. But I got ice cream and I got the caramel syrup, and then babe got Dutch apple pie. So yeah, we just gonna chill. So stay tuned. Ooh, so I'm back at the house, and baby, we got some Italian sausages, some chicken wings, some chicken legs. I think babe gonna put some burger. You gonna do burgers too? And I just got corn, so you can put the corn on there. So this is gonna be a good Saturday. You can see it. My grill master. Ooh, that sausage look good. That look good, babe. So babe got the burgers and the corn. We about to eat good. I know y'all eating all that food. This gonna last us a couple of days. That's why I love when they grill, because if he grill, we're gonna have a couple of meals. So I think tonight I'm gonna eat a burger, corn, and some chicken maybe. All right, they buttering up the cone. Don't bring it so baby. It's about to be real good. All right, y'all. So Bay did his thing on the grill. We got some Italian sausages, some corn, we got wings and drumsticks, and we got 2 burgers. And I'm going to make some asparagus. And I don't know, didn't have a chance to do the deviled eggs, so we'll see. Cause this is a couple of days worth of food. So yeah, go Bay. And let me make our plate. Put the buns on the grill. Grill master. So here is the pie. I cut bay piece and I have my cookies. And we have our ice cream. So I'm gonna heat his up in the microwave. Then I'm gonna put the ice cream on it because these are fresh out the oven, and we're gonna drizzle our caramel sauce. The final, that's Bay's apple crisp, and here goes mine. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go ahead and have my dessert, and we're gonna have date night. So I hope you guys enjoyed another vlog, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to follow my journey. All right, you guys.